You are not small for wanting what they have. You're not broken for feeling the heat rise. Your jealousy is not evil. It is a messenger. You are allowed to read the message without burning the messenger. The person you envy is not your enemy. They are a mirror pointing to something your soul wants. Safety, rest, permission to stop craving. That feeling is not stolen when they have it. There is no limited supply of belonging. You are allowed to want what they have and still be happy for them. You are allowed to feel jealous and still show up with kindness. The shame wants you to believe feeling jealousy makes you bad. That's a lie. Shame is the jailer. Shame drives jealousy underground where it rots into resentment. You are done hiding. You are done pretending you don't care. You are allowed to say, I see you have something I want. I am not less for wanting it. You are allowed to feel the hot, tight pull without spiraling into, I'm a monster. Their light does not dim yours. Their promotion does not mean you failed. The relationship does not prove you are unlovable. You are running a different operating system, a more sensitive one. That system is not broken. It is overworked because it has been ignored. You are listening now without shame. You are allowed to feel jealous and still be kind. You are allowed to feel jealous and still be worthy. You are allowed to feel jealous and still be whole. You are not here to be a saint. You are here to be real. Real feels jealous sometimes. Real also stays kind. You're not harming anyone by feeling this. Jealousy is not a permanent state. It is a spike, a signal, a door, and you just walk through that door without destroying it. That is shadow work. That is integrity. You turn back to your own blueprint, not to compete, to build. One brick. I'm allowed to want what I want. One brick. I do not need to be smaller so others feel bigger. One brick. I can celebrate them and tend to my own hunger. You are not broken. You are just hungry. And hunger can be fed, not by taking from them, by giving to yourself. One small thing today. That is enough. That is movement. You are allowed to feel jealous and still belong here exactly as you are. The jealousy is not your enemy. It is your compass. And you just read it without flinching. That is everything. You are safe. You are real. You are building. And shame has no place here. Only honesty, only hunger, only the slow, sacred work of turning toward yourself. You are allowed to want. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to stay kind. That is the whole damn blue.